guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another collab with Jen from Glam Mom. I will link her channel down below, and we are filming 21 in 2021. 21 beauty products in general that we want to finish up by the end of 2021. I have a lot of products, a lot of things building up, and my husband's over there. And I just need to start using up some things. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have some like hair care and skincare at the end, just 4 products, but everything else is makeup. So no particular order. Let me just start with like lips first because I have a lot here. In my last Finish by Christmas, it was a complete fail. I'll link that down below as well. But I had this gloss, but I thought it was this gloss that I was supposed to be finishing. So I have about this much from here and then this much of this guy. So I'm almost done. So I know I can finish these, but I figured let me just throw these in so that I could make sure I'm using them and that I finish them up. Once those are done, I'm going to start, this guy is Brooke and this is Pink Champagne. This is in Stacy, so these are just the Buxom mini glosses. It's really pretty. It's what I'm wearing now, even though it wore off. And it's really pretty. It's like a slight shimmer in there. I really like it. So once I'm going to focus on the other two, then move to this guy. I have been using this every day. I don't know how much product is in here because it won't show me. Actually, I feel like I might be able to see. It's from Colored Rain and it's in the color Mars. It's a liquid lipstick. Nope, can't tell. But I use this all the time because it is a great liquid lipstick. It looks really dark, but on me, it's not like really too dark. But it's a nice neutral color and I could put a gloss over it, leave it as is, put another color. It's just really nice. And it's my go-to. It doesn't transfer as much as other liquid lipsticks do under my masks. So this is kind of my go-to. So I'm going to keep using that and try and finish that up. Another product I have here is this Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment with SPF 50. I have this much left. And Jen had actually sent me for my birthday last year a whole tin, like a set of these guys, and I've been saving them. Like, really? I need to stop. I need to use my stuff. So I pulled this one. This is Sugar Honey from Fresh. And this is completely brand new. So even here, God, my husband is drilling something. Even here, you can see like how much of this I've used. So I just don't want my stuff that I love to go bad. So I'm trying to pull products that I do like so I can finish them up. So I have these two. And with this, I usually just put this right in my jacket pocket and I leave it in there. So when I'm in the car, I can use it. If I'm like in the store, I just always have it on me. Similarly, I have this lipstick from IT Cosmetics. It's the Vitality Lip Flush Stain, and it's in Rose Flush. This is like, I mean, I don't even really think this has a color. I mean, I guess you can kind of see it here. Well, I can kind of see it in the viewfinder. I don't know if you guys can. On my lips, it doesn't really have a color, but it is really moisturizing. And I've used it, but it came like funky, like leaning off to the side. But it is moisturizing and it feels really nice in the lip. So this is something where I'm just like, it's another great like balm. So I'm like, okay, I have 3 glosses, a liquid lipstick, and 3 balms. What else? Okay, let me just get rid of these 3 because these are also part of my fail. So this is the e.l.f. SPF 50 Beauty Shield Primer, and I have about this much left, which is still a good amount, but I do try to wear SPF every day. I like wearing primer too because it kind of blurs your pores and stuff like that, but I'm not really great at it. But I need to make sure that I'm wearing my SPF, and I have a good amount left, so I will use this up. I need to. The next 2 things I didn't finish in my last use up project for December is the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rhode Isle and the Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel Foundation from Flower Beauty. My neighbors are working on their yard. So if you hear drilling or something like that, that's what it is. And this has SPF 18. So I like to combine these two. And you can see here where I left off. And I feel like I don't have much left in here, maybe like a third. So I really want to finish this. We'll see. I also have this concealer from CoverGirl. It's the True Blend Undercover, and I have this in M150 Buff Beige. Again, I don't know how much I have of this. I was just kind of keeping this in my purse for those days when I like run out of the house without makeup, and if my husband's driving, I could just like dot concealer on, but I'm just going to actually put this with my makeup in my makeup basket so that I use this up. I have a lot of concealers, and my favorite concealer is super expensive. It is Kevin Kwan. It's this guy, the Sensual Skin Enhancer. It's super expensive. It's like 48 bucks, but it's amazing. I love it. So I really just want to use up some of my other concealers as well. So I think that's it for like those types of products. Oh, I also have this makeup finishing spray. I think I have maybe this much here. I don't use setting sprays often, but I need to because I have it. So I'm gonna try and finish this guy up. I'm gonna try and stop saying I'm gonna try. I'm going to finish that guy up. I have two bronzers. I was just FaceTiming Jen and we were talking, and I had told her that I put this Milk Makeup little like mini bronzer. And I do like this bronzer, and I feel like even though there's a decent amount for, you know, what it is, I don't wanna put it all the way up. Okay, there we go, that's all it is. I feel like I could finish it because I feel like other people have mentioned flying through these bronzers, the from Milk Makeup. So I'm like, okay, in a year, I'm hoping I can finish that. But I also have the Skinny Dip from Bare Minerals, and it is just this tiny little package. And how much is actually in here? This just came out. So basically that's the pan. I'm gonna have to glue that back in place. I mean, I guess I don't need to because it just stays, because it's the magnetic part. But she was like, yeah, add this in. And I was like, oh God, two bronzers? Am I crazy? So that is like me being crazy. I'm gonna try and finish those. Okay. Next are eyes. I have this black liner from Sephora. It's just a waterproof liner, and it's just like a little deluxe, like a little mini deluxe sample size. This came in the Sephora Play Box, I believe, that my sister-in-law got, and she didn't want it, so I took it. And I don't wear eyeliner often, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try. My dog is out in the snow just staring at me like, why am I not inside? Because you wanted to go play with daddy. That's why, silly. So I have this guy. If you watched my recent declutters, you saw that I had decluttered a Butter London eye glaze, and it had dried up completely. And I was so disappointed because it was so pretty. So I have Oil Slick here. Oh God. Oh, Lord Jesus. It is beautiful. I have a wipe here. It is so pretty. I didn't think it was that wet still. So nice. So I was like, you know what? That other one, God knows how long it was dried up. I need to use this guy. So I am going to use as much as I can. I feel like I won't finish it, but I'm still gonna use it as much as I can because I anticipate this drying up pretty quickly. And the last makeup product is from Tarte. It is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Foil Finger Paints shadow palette, and these are cream shadows. This is like a mess because this one broke, and they're really pretty. So we have like this really pretty champagne. This is like my favorite, and then just these like glitter toppers. This one's more, I don't know, like rainbow-like. And then this one is definitely more of silver. So it's not so much that I want to finish these two, but I really want to get as much use as possible out of these. Even this one that's broken is really pretty. You can see there. So I just want to use these because, again, oh God, what a mess. Again, when you have these like cream products, they could dry out, they go bad, they, you know, tend to grow bacteria very quickly. And I've already had this for some time, so I'm just trying to clean this up, guys. Trying not so successfully. I mean, successful in cleaning this up, but not successful in not making a mess everywhere else. Okay, and then the last 4 products, like I said, are like skincare and hair care. I decided to pull this Long & Luxe Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. I actually got this on sale for $7. I think it's normally like $9.99. And I think it's like right here, this much to use up. My daughter, the favorite product I have for her hair, it's like, she has like, I believe like 4A type curls, like very, very tight coils. So she needs like a specific type of product, and the one that I have is from Not Your Mother's, and it's like it's my favorite. The way it like leaves her hair is beautiful. But I do have this. I started using it. It's really good with her hair, but then I got the other one, got another one of that one, and I need to, before I go buy another one, I need to use some of the products I have. So I was gonna pull something else that isn't open, and I was like, let me use this up. So I need to use that. And I also have this Matrix Biolage Hydro Source mask for dry hair. I've used it 3 times. It smells so good. It's still like completely full. And I actually have 2 of these because these were on sale like a year ago. I've had these for a long time. Oh my God, I've had them for more than a year. And I like literally just started using it. So I really want to use this up because again, I have 2 of these. They take up prime real estate. And I need to use what I have. Then I have this from Elevation, I don't know how to pronounce it. I did do a video from this company. They sent me some products to try. And this is the eye and upper lip firming essence. So it's supposed to help with like fine line and wrinkles that you get like around here and your like crow's feet and stuff like that. It's a really nice essence. It's just kind of, it feels like a serum. And that's it. Nothing, I mean, I was gonna say nothing fancy, but it is actually fancy. Feels really nice. But again, I use it, but sporadically. You know, I'm not like 100% dedicated to it. And especially with skincare that's supposed to like have these changes, you need to use it for it to work on a regular basis. So I really want to use this up. And then this is from Derma E. It's the Hydrating Gentle Cleanser with Hyaluronic Acid. I think I only have like this much left. And again, I put in a lot of these products that are almost finished or already started because I tend to move on to the next product without finishing something up. So right now I have this at my vanity, right behind my vanity in my, or you know, like my medicine cabinet. In my shower, I have another face wash. I have 2, one from CeraVe and another one I forgot from where. So I have 3 face washes open and I'm like, I need to use them up. So I'm going to use this up and then I will pull up another one. That's how I'm kind of viewing it. Those are my 21 products. So as I finish this one, I'm going to replace it with another face wash. If I finish this, let's say, oh my God, it'd be amazing. Like in June, I will grab the other one to use up. Once I finish this, I'm going to replace it with another product for my daughter's hair. Replace this with like another specialized serum. I have enough lip products here that I can replace them themselves. But if I finish up this guy, I'm going to add another primer, concealer, foundation, you know, stuff like that. So that's it, guys. Do we really think I'm going to do it? My Finish 5 by fall and my Finish 5 by Christmas were complete fails. And I get it, like pandemic times where I'm not wearing makeup the way I used to. It's like not consistent. I would wear makeup every day for work. So at least 5 days a week I was wearing makeup. Not happening. So, but I am going to try because this stuff, I mean, I'm definitely going to have to like throw away this stuff at the end of the year if I don't use it up. Not even just those, like these also. Like that's a lot of products, you know, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including a palette that I'm just gonna have to throw away if I'm not using them. So I'm trying to use up the products that I've had for a while. That's kind of how I went in and picked cream products and then lip glosses that I know aren't gonna last forever. So that is it. Comment down below if you guys want to do this along with me and Jen. Definitely check out her video also and let me know if 21 is too much for you. Like, is there a product that you do want to finish up where you're just like, look, I suck at finishing up lipsticks and I'm going to finish this one. Let's keep each other accountable, right? Let's keep each other accountable. So 21 is going to be the year where I am finishing up some stuff. Even if it is just these 21 products, I will be happy. I'll see you guys in the next video. You stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.